TNT versus Ginebra. You already know the history. Finals matchups, classic battles, all-out wars. But this time, it's a different TNT team. Chot Reyes has reloaded this squad, and they're out to prove they're still the standard in the PBA. The Tropang 5G are coming off a strong opening win over Phoenix, with Ray ng Batak dropping 22 points. Looking like he's been part of this system for years and someone they missed in the previous finals. They're still waiting for Jason Castro, but they got new faces like Gio Halalon, Kevin Ferrer, and Tyrus Hill. And this group looks deeper, faster, and hungrier after that missed Grand Slam last season. And that's what makes this TNT roster so interesting for daily fantasy. You never know who's going to explode. One night it's Ray, maybe the next could be Gio Halalon filling the stat sheet. The unpredictability, that's where the real edge is if you know your basketball. Free lang naman sumali, just use your rubies. Yung mga rubies na kukuha mo yan upon registration. Tara, samahan nyo ako sa TNT versus Barangay Ginebra game sa Daily Fantasy. So, click natin to. You choose. So, bibuild tayo ng lineup natin. Okay. For me, let's do Gio Halalon at the point guard. Shooting guard, gusto ko si Scotty Thompson. Stat sheet stuffer. Small forward, let's do Calvin Oftana. Why not, right? Calvin Oftana. We have 62.5 points remaining. Madami pa. Next is Game 7, Glenn Cubuntin. Center, Japet Aguilar for my center. Sa flex, 3 positions. Let's do Stephen Holt, RJ Abarientos. Let's do Jordan Heading. Confident with this lineup, click done. So gawing captain si Scotty. And then vice captain ko si Calvin Oftana. I'm very happy with that. Done. Confirm and join. And ganoon lang kadali. You're already part of this contest. Don't forget to use my promo code Nico Rocha and get 100 free coins upon registration, which you can use to join the games. I'll see you guys there. Good luck.